everyone. Hi everyone. Today I will guide everyone. Use the software. Help warm up TikTok accounts automatically on browser platform. Fake Chrome browser, everyone. This is the software. Help us manage without limits TikTok account. Like I have a total more than 300 accounts. And today I'm going to teach everyone by the automatic interactive part. We'll need to pick out the accounts to go warm up. And for those who don't know, warm up, it's like what we use TikTok account to do normal things, like a real person. And we can also surfing by subject. Then we can be interact with that topic first by keyword. Then we'll go automatic warm up by topic. And these are the actions of farming accounts. We have mostly watched videos and beside we can be going. Interact with accounts that have, follow or be friends. Here it is. I'll let these accounts surf automatically on the free page to be as real as possible. And we'll save this farming script and choose this farming script. And then we'll just run the software, and we set up the number of simultaneous streams, the number of accounts running at the same time. Here we are. Each of these lines is a different account, and run all 10 of these accounts. We'll switch to 10 other accounts, and these accounts we can also add proxy to, because it's already running in the Chrome browser. And now I'm going to give the accounts automatic. Bye everyone.